Ever wondered how a tiny egg hidden deep in the brush transforms into one of nature's most dazzling displays? From humble beginnings to a breathtaking burst of color and grace, join us as we journey through the incredible life of a peacock, from nest to display. Prepare to uncover the secrets behind its mesmerizing feathers, the mysterious dances, and the survival instincts that make this bird one of the wild's most majestic wonders. The marvel of the peacock. The life cycle of a peacock is a journey of transformation. The peacock begins life as a small, fragile egg, hidden and vulnerable. Yet, as time passes, this little egg grows into one of the most beautiful birds on Earth. Known for its bright blue, green, and iridescent feathers, the adult male peacock displays its plumage in breathtaking dances that have amazed humans for centuries. From its delicate start in the nest to its glorious displays, the peacock's life story is one of growth, beauty, and survival. The beginning nesting and egg stage nest selection. The peahen, or female peafowl, chooses a safe and quiet spot for her nest, usually on the ground in tall grass or bushes. This helps hide her nest from predators. Egg-laying process. The peahen lays between 3 to 5 eggs, which are slightly larger than chicken eggs and have a light cream or beige color. Incubation and protection. For about 28 days, the peahen sits on her eggs, keeping them warm and safe. During this time, she hardly ever leaves the nest, only getting up briefly to eat or drink. Dangers in the nest. Nesting on the ground makes the eggs vulnerable to animals like snakes, lizards, and even larger birds. The peahen's camouflaged feathers help her blend into her surroundings, protecting both her and her eggs from potential threats. Hatching. The first days of life, the hatching process. After almost a month, the eggs begin to hatch. Chicks peck their way out of the shell in a slow and careful process. First moments of life. When the chicks finally emerge, they are small, fluffy, and covered in soft, yellowish-brown down feathers. The mother's role. The peahen leads her chicks to food and water sources and teaches them to recognize the calls she makes when danger is near. The chicks follow her closely for protection. Learning to eat. Unlike some birds, peafowl chicks don't eat insects right away. They first learn to forage for grains, seeds, and small bugs under their mother's watchful eye. Juvenile peafowl. Growing up fast. Early growth stages. As the chicks grow, they start looking more like small adults. They lose their fluffy down feathers and grow in new, firmer feathers that protect them from the weather. Independence and exploration. Young peafowl begin to wander short distances from their mother, becoming more independent and learning about their environment. Building social bonds. In the wild, peafowl often live in small groups. The young birds play and interact, building relationships and learning social behaviors. The first feathers. Male chicks, called cockerels, start growing the early signs of what will one day be their famous tail feathers, though it will take a few years for these feathers to fully develop. Adolescence. The transition to adulthood. Adolescent appearance. The feathers start showing more defined patterns, especially in males. However, they are still duller and shorter than those of an adult male. Learning to display. Young male peafowl, or peacocks, begin practicing the display they'll use to attract mates in the future. They raise and spread their tails, though the feathers are not yet as colorful or as large. Female development. Female peafowl, known as peahens, develop their own set of brown and gray feathers. Their coloring helps them blend into the environment, which is especially helpful for nesting and raising young. The adult stage. Full display and mating season. The full plumage. By around age 3, the male peacock has developed its iconic train of feathers, which can grow over 5 feet long. These feathers are known for their iridescent eye spots, which reflect light to create vibrant colors. The purpose of the display. Peacocks spread their feathers and shake them in a fan-like display to impress the females. This behavior, called strutting, is accompanied by calls and a specific dance that shows off the peacock's health and strength. courtship rituals during the mating season, peacocks compete for attention from peahens. The peacock with the brightest feathers and the best dance often wins a mate. Peahens choice female peafowl choose a mate based on the size, color, and condition of the male's feathers. This is because a healthy and vibrant peacock is likely to have strong genetics. Habitat and daily life of peafowl. Natural habitat. Peafowl are native to South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka. They prefer open forests, fields, and even gardens where they can roam freely. Food and diet. Peafowl are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. They feed on seeds, insects, small reptiles, and fruits. Role in the ecosystem. Peafowl help control insect populations and spread plant seeds. They are also a source of food for larger predators, though they are quite adept at avoiding them. Predator avoidance. Peafowl are very alert and have excellent vision, allowing them to spot potential threats from far away. If a predator comes close, they emit a loud alarm call to warn others. Reproduction and the next generation. Mating season and nesting. After a successful mating, the peahen begins the nesting process, and the life cycle continues. She returns to her chosen spot, lays a new batch of eggs, and the journey begins again. Legacy and generational patterns. Each new generation brings forth peacocks with vibrant feathers, ensuring that the peacock's stunning display remains a part of the natural world. The life of a peacock, a cycle of beauty and survival. The life cycle of a peacock is a story of survival, beauty, and evolution. From a tiny egg protected in a hidden nest to the majestic dance of an adult peacock, these birds embody resilience and wonder. Their displays captivate not only potential mates but humans across the world, showing us the power and mystery of nature's artistry. Thank you for watching this video. Please show your love affection by subscribe my channel, like and comment.